Now we are given the demand function, which is Q1 is equal to 2mp2 upon P1. Now, in order to find out whether the good is a normal good or not, we need to know whether if income of the consumer is increasing, then is this demand increasing or not? Okay. Now we'll find out then dq1 by dm, which will come out to be 2p2 by p1, which will be greater than 0, assuming p1 and p2 are greater than 0, and hence this is a normal commodity. Okay. So this was part A. Part B is this good given? Normally we would expect this, that when price of the good is increasing, then the demand for that good will fall, keeping other things constant. But in this case, in case of a given good, what will happen is that when the price of the good will increase, the demand for that good will also increase, keeping other things constant. So that is an exception to the law of demand, but let's see whether this is a case in the given good or not. So in case of a given good, dq1 by dp1 would be positive instead of negative. So let's see what is happening here. So dq1 by dp1 in this case is 2mp2 minus 2 into p1 to the power minus 2, which is minus 4 mp2 upon p1 square, which will be less than 0, which is an ordinary good. It's not a given good. Okay, well, this is not a given good. M is positive, p2 is positive, p1 square is of course positive, 4 is a positive scalar, and hence this is a negative expression. Is this good a substitute or a complement to good 2? Okay, now in order to find out that in case of a substitute, okay, your what would be the sign of this? That is dq1 by dp2. When the price of good 2 increases, the quantity demanded for good 2 should fall and the quantity demanded for good 1 should increase, keeping other things constant. So dq1 by dp2 should be positive in case of substitutes. In case of complements, when price of good 2 increases, okay, then the quantity demanded of good 1 should also fall. Okay, because both of these commodities, they have to be used together. Now in our case, dq1 by dp2 would be 2m upon p1, okay, which is greater than 0, and hence it's a substitute good. Okay,